Shooter ready?
Ready.
Steel, one. Hit. Two, head left. That's two. Nice. Move. This two.
This too?
Uh-huh.
Shit.
Keep going, move!
Fuck it.
Get him.
Still two. Hit. Miss. Hit. Torso, right, two. Failure to stop drill, left. Two to the head, one to the body.
Ah, shit.
Top rack bang. This one. Keep moving.
Fuck.
This one, take a knee.
Shooter ready!
Terrorist training camp.
Five steel.
I can't see.
Hit. Hit.
Bullshit! I was on a roll!
You get extra to the disc now.
Okay, just keep going.
Okay.
Five on the left.
Three body, two head, left.
Move! Move!
Three to the body.
Two head.
Run up, two head on the right.
Oh, shit. My arm.
Go for them clay bitches.
I suck. Yeah, I'm done.
Keep going. Did you have more?
Yeah, but I suck.
Finish it off. Finish that shit off. You gotta finish the run.
Stand up, do it shooting.
Go prone.
Yeah, right.
Tap, rack, and bang.
What the fuck?
You put a dummy on the last one?
Fuck it,
No.
fuck it.
There's a round in there. There's a round in there. Clear that shit. Clear it. Lock the bolt to the rear. Lock the bolt to the rear. Top racket. Top and racket. Tap, rack, and bang.
Oh my gosh. Okay,
Hit those fuckers. Shoot those fucking clays.
the clay.
There you go. There you go.
That was terrible. Delete that right now.
Hope your mag changes.
Yeah, I'm trying.
We'll stand way up there because the lines don't matter. The atoms.
Zach, right here. Five steel. Put your glasses on. Put your glasses on.
Ears, eyes. Put your eyes on.
Steel?
Steel. Oh.
Told you.
No, they go to the side.
Wow.
There you go. Hit.
Go.
Torse. Hit the one on the left. Two head, three body. What are you talking about? They go over there.
See?
Moving. One more head and then clays.
Yeah!
No.
Oh!
Out!